Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IR Wireless Underwater Communication with Sensors, Temperature, Humidity, LDR, Monitoring using Arduino with LCD display. So here we are using transmitter module as well as receiver module. The transmitter we are using IR transmitter with 38 kHz frequency IR transmitter, and a receiver we are using TSOP 1738 38 kHz frequency transmitter module receiver module. Arduino Uno R3. Sensors are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor and one LDR sensor light dependent resistor and the underwater lighting sensing, and a 16 cross 2 LCD display are is enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 volts power supply, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and TSOP 1738. Receiver it is connected to the 0 pin, and transmitter it is connected to the first pin. So let us coming into the hardware part. So we have a two modules, transformer power source I am using. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD. Arduino Uno R3 board, and a LDR sensor light dependent resistor, and a DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, and IR transmitter module, transistor with IR transmitter, and here TSOP 1738 IR receiver and LCD display, and power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, LCD display. Yeah, let's start with power supply. Okay, so the title name is temperature humidity LDR monitoring system, Arduino Uno R3. Okay, T for temperature is 28, LDR 184, and humidity is 95, 27, 95, 184. Okay, so now I am keeping the LDR should be dark. LDR is 11. Yeah, 11 came. LDR 11. 28, 95, 6. LDR is 64. So now it is purely 0. Yeah, 0. LDR is 0. Okay, lighting. Okay, now I am taking doop stick. Temperature increasing. Yeah, this is pure water. Okay. Yeah, temperature 29, 30, 31, 95, 175. So I'm giving pure lighting. Okay, maximum lighting. Okay, 236. Yeah, 244. 244. Okay, 244, 244, 32. Okay, 32, 33, 172, 95, 30, 33, 195, and 183. Okay, so every three counts it will send the data. Every three counts sensing and it will send the data. Like that I programmed TSOP IR transmitter and IR receiver module. Okay, if you keep in between it won't receive the data. I am removing the water. Okay, so I am keeping everything. So that is final stage. It won't receive any data. Okay, 182. Okay, IR transmitter. 174. Okay, it is receiving the data. So it is continuously sending the data. Suppose I am receiving this IR receiving cable. Yeah, I am removing this IR cable. Okay, yeah, I removed IR cable. Okay, receiving cable I removed. There is no data. So now I am keeping IR cable. Okay, some garbage value is received. then after third count it will receive exact data. Yeah, so here I am removing transmitter value, transmitter cable. Yeah, transmitter cable I removed. Okay, transmitter I removed. Okay, so LCD receiver is continuously checking the data with a total 8 to total 16 10 counts of data. It is continuously checking, so there is no transmitting and there is no receiving. Okay, so compulsory, so we have to give transmitting. Okay, transmitting the data 162 129 30 95 161. Yeah, it came success. Okay, so it will continuously transmitting 38 kilohertz frequency continuously. 241 LDR 241. Yeah, 241. So IR transmitter, IR receiver. Transmitter pin is 0, transmitter first pin, receiver is 0th pin. So you can add a gas sensor also, underground water gas sensing, anything you can add. Okay, so temperature, humidity, maybe it will change or not, I don't know. Maybe you can keep humidity, then 100% it will change. As per my room humidity it is coming. Okay, yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.